Hi folks, today we're going to talk about meter socket checks. Remember, always wear your PPE. We're pulling and setting meters. We're going to use the voltmeter and we need to know how to use it. Make sure you plug the leads into the proper holes on the voltmeter. They could be different. We want to set to alternating current. That's the squiggly line. If we want to check continuity, we're going to set to ohms. Always read the manufacturer's instructions provided with your voltmeter, as they can operate differently, have different settings and different functions. Procedures for proper voltage check. We want to do this every time we set a meter. Every time. It is so important that we make sure that we provide the customer with the required line voltage coming in from the utility side. So we're going to check both of the utility side lugs to neutral. We're looking for somewhere in that 120 volt range. We're also going to check leg to leg and make sure that we're supplying 240 volts. Again, we want to deliver the required voltage to the member. Now we're going to check the right source to right load. This is with the customer's main off. We want to make sure that there's no backfeed coming from inside the house. We're going to check both sides, of course, to make sure that there's nothing wrong on either side. We want to make sure that no generators are running and nobody's plugged into their neighbor's home. Same thing here on the left, load to neutral. We want to make sure that there's nothing coming back from the inside of the house. Things aren't wired backwards, or who knows what some folks can do when they're not professionals and they're wiring up electrical services. We also want to check for continuity. We want to make sure that the hot legs are not switched with the neutrals on the bottom, so always check continuity on the load side. When we're setting the meter, turn the main off, stand to the side of the meter, insert the load side spades first, and push the meter in. Do not hit it. Install the cover and reseal the meter base. Again, wear your PPE. Inspect the meter base. Check for proper voltage every single